There's an adjustable handle here, very important. Right now I have it at the highest level. This particular grass here is called St. Augustine Pro Vista. Ideally, you keep it at 3 to 4 inches high, which would mean I would have it at this level here or this one. However, I decided I want to cut a little short today, so I'll go down one level, start again. Positioning the mower, where you need to go. Doing that line once again. It's only 13 inches. Hit the button, pull the handle, here you go. Go down to the next lane. Let go of the handle. That's it.